We're here today to sort of have a public hearing on the board's redistricting. This process began last fall in November for the board, when the board adopted a process and some criteria for what they wanted in redistricting and decided to set up another citizen committee. This was the third time we've done that. The citizen committee is the main basis for the public hearing this afternoon. There are 25 different plans in there, which adopted would redistrict the board. I think that the committee gave the Board of Supervisors a very good assortment. Hopefully there's something in there you'll like.
All of the plans can be found on the county's website by going to our main website, www.fairfaxcounty.gov, and clicking on redistricting. The plan can be found, all of the maps and background information can be found on that website.
We had public people from the public come for every meeting, so we had public involvement, and so it was really a very smooth process. Helped, of course, by the fact that the census numbers themselves came in without any enormous disparities, which always makes this process, which is difficult, easier.
We'll be adopting the plan in 2 weeks. We're not going to do that today. We wanted to have an opportunity for public input and to reflect upon that. I want to thank the folks who came out and testified. In particular, I want to thank Kate Hanley for her leadership on the reapportionment committee. I served on it 10 years ago, and I know the time commitment firsthand that it takes to be on that committee and certainly to chair it. And the commentary I've gotten across the community as I've gone out and met with folks has been very positive about the process that we have in Fairfax County and the way that we reach out to folks and involve folks in redistricting in a way, as several testifiers mentioned, is not the norm necessarily in Virginia, and certainly not at the state level. And so we're very proud of that tradition. I think the report that you have has many different opportunities for redistricting, many of which meet the marks that were put out in our budget guidance. And as we deliberate over the next 2 weeks, of course, we'll still welcome input from the public.